Hi, Dan Butler here from CrestCore Realty, and about to talk to you about my favorite topic, why CrestCore. And let me start out by saying we were investors first. Back in 2001, we started buying rental property throughout Memphis, pretty much every zip code in the city. We know the city inside and out, and by buying properties, being investors, we wanted to create a property management company that would be managing our properties like we manage our own. And what does that mean? I come from operations, manufacturing background. My partner, CPA, CFA, accounting. So we really wanted to put the right systems, the right people, the right processes in place to manage all of our properties as efficiently as possible, as cost effective as possible, to make our returns as best as possible. So that's kind of what started CrestCore Realty, which then led into a bigger purpose. Our purpose is to help others succeed. That's our tenants, our employees, and our clients. That's what we live day in and day out, trying to help others succeed. We call it servant leadership, selfless leadership, whatever the term you want to call. But that's what we do. We try to help you succeed, help our tenants, and help our employees. Whether the employees promote them to a different role. Help them develop a skill that they're wanting to develop, help get schooling. Our tenants finding a great place to live from a landlord that takes care of the property. And then the clients just adding value everywhere we can, being communicative, just helping you guys manage your properties as effectively as possible to create the best return. That's what you're in it for. So that's what we're here for. What separates us in a lot of ways, a couple things: communication and transparency. You'll love our portal. Our portal, it's a standard software, but it's really what you do with it. So we've created, all our bills are on there, all our income statements, all our work orders. We have marketing reports, collection reports, income statements. Everything you could want is right there on your portal. So it doesn't matter, we have, whether in Israel, Australia, California, New York, doesn't matter. Touch of a button, see what's going on in your property. So we've really set it up for the micromanager to the macro manager. And what I mean by that, if you want to know about your properties, we've got it. All the information is there. If you're just wanting a check at the end of the month, the information is there, but you can still just get your check at the end of the month and check it if you want to. So that's really what separates us. We work tirelessly. You've heard that old phrase, pleased but not satisfied. We are changing every day. We're chasing technology, using virtual assistants, whatever we can do to make us stronger, faster, more efficient, more cost effective, whatever it takes to rent the houses faster, to do rent readies faster, cheaper. We're constantly changing every day, and I hope you'll see that if you come to join us. And last thing is just communication, which is part of that transparency. Any change in your property, we're alerting you to a work order. As soon as that work order comes in from that tenant, you're emailed at the same time we are, so you know there's a work order going on, an issue with your property. When they pay, when they put a deposit down, any kind of change, like I said, you're alerted to that change, and we love that. My whole goal, I joke with the clients that by the time the statements go out at the end of the month, hopefully I won't hear from you. And what I mean by that, it means we've done our job. We've communicated so well and stayed on top of your house and your assets so well, and you know what's going on. By the end of the month, there are no questions. Maybe some months are rougher than others. That's one thing I would tell you. This is like a 30-year stock. You can't look at it from week to week or month to month. It needs to be a 1 year, 3 year, 5 year kind of outlook. So that's what separates us. I think being investors, being communicative, being transparent, having core values. That's what I'll leave you with. Our core values: integrity, personal accountability, golden rule, change, long-term perspective, long-term partnerships versus short-term transactions. That's one thing that really separates us. We're in it for the long haul. If we don't take care of you each day, every day, then it's not going to be a long-term partnership. You're going to move on, do something else, get frustrated, and so we look at things really at the long term. We try to every decision, every conversation, it's about what's the best for the next year, for the next 3 years, the next 20 years, and that really separates us on how we run our business. If you have any questions, call me 901-289-7888 or email me at dan@crestcore.com. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for this opportunity.